kutengeneza shule.
As the country prepares for the historic launch of grade 10 under the competency-based education, that is CBE, in January 2026, parents are being urged actually to support their children in selecting a senior secondary school and aligning their chosen pathway with career goals. Under CBE, learners entering senior school will pursue one of three pathways: STEM, social sciences, arts and sports science. During a recent prize-giving event at Mama Ngina Girls High School, Professor Laila Bubakar, Vice-Chancellor of Technical University of Mombasa, said the new education model will nurture talents, accelerate learning, and foster creativity. In retrospect, she noted that the pathways are not new, as students who went through levels in 7-4-2-3 education model actually experienced this.
Trying in grade 9, they're helping the students who are now going to transit to come to senior school. And during that transition now, they are choosing the schools that have the different pathways. It initially, like any other thing, it has its own, should I say, issues at the beginning, so parents are not able to know. But I know that the teachers now have gone through those pathways. They have been able to now to know or to align those pathways. And I keep repeating that
we want to challenge ourselves to take the very new courses that there are in the CBC, so that we give it a try. But I believe we are very ready for it. Yeah.
We are now moving from 844 to CBC, and every school should offer STEM, and our schools in Mombasa and also in the coast region are able to offer STEM, and we will be having at least a school offering two pathway.
The efforts to fight effects of climate